Welcome to House Decor. Today, we are stepping into the charming world of country cottage style home decor, a style that celebrates warmth, comfort, and timeless beauty. It's a style that blends nature, nostalgia, and a touch of whimsy to create a home that feels inviting, lived in, and full of personality. Whether you are looking to refresh a single room or transform your entire home, I will be sharing tips, ideas, and inspiration to help you bring that cozy countryside charm into your own space. Let's discover how to make every corner of your home feel like a peaceful, heartwarming retreat. Here are some tips to elevate country cottage style home decor and make it feel cozy, charming, and timeless. Vintage finds. Hunt for antique clocks, old frames, or vintage kitchenware at flea markets or thrift stores. They add personality. Rustic wall art. Use wooden signs, hand painted plaques, or framed botanical prints for authentic cottage vibes. Baskets everywhere. Wicker or open baskets are perfect for storage and decoration. Think magazines, blankets, or fruits. Candles and lanterns. Place them on tables, shelves, and windowsills to add warmth and a soft glow. Mix patterns carefully. Combine florals, stripes, and gingham in soft colors, but keep them balanced so the room doesn't feel busy. Furniture and layout. Mix old and new. Pair a modern sofa with a distressed wooden coffee table or antique sideboard for a curated look. Soft seating. Slip-covered sofas and armchairs in neutral tones or soft patterns enhance comfort and style. Functional charm. Use storage bins or trunks as seating. They look rustic and are practical. Bring the outside in. Use potted plants, hanging herbs, or fresh flowers to make spaces feel alive. Natural materials. Choose wooden floors, linen cushions, cotton truss, and jute rugs for texture and warmth. Seasonal decor. Swap in dried flowers, pine cones, or pumpkins to reflect the seasons and keep it cozy. Finishing touches. Layered rugs. Layering small pattern rugs on wooden floors adds warmth and visual interest. Window treatments, light, airy curtains, or lace panels create softness while keeping rooms bright. Soft lighting, combine table lamps, fairy lights, and soft overhead lighting for a warm, inviting glow. Personal touches, display handmade pottery or heirloom pieces to give the home a lived-in feel. Walls and surfaces, shiplap or bedboard panels. Add texture to walls with whitewashed or pastel-colored shiplap or bedboard. It instantly gives a cottage feel. Accent walls, use floral wallpaper, vintage tiles or reclaimed wood for a focal point. Open shelving, display vintage dishes, mason jars or cookbooks. It feels welcoming and lived in. Rustic table decor, use lace runners, wooden trays and ceramic pitchers for flowers. Chalkboard signs, write menus, grocery list or codes for a playful, personal touch. Decor and accessories, mix metals carefully, combine copper, brush and old iron accents in small doses for visual interest. Textured throws and pillows, crochet, knit or patchwork beads add warmth and depth to sitting areas. Layered lighting, table lamps, wall sconces, and candles create a soft, inviting ambience. Fresh and dried flowers, keep mason jars or vintage vases with seasonal blooms. Indoor herbs, small pots of rosemary, thyme or basil in the kitchen combine decor and function. Botanical prints, framed pressed flowers, leaves or botanical illustrations on walls. Mixed chair styles, combine spindle, ladderback or upholstered chairs and dining tables for cottage charm. Comfy corners, create reading nooks with a cozy armchair, throw blanket and floor lamp. Neutral base plus pops of color. Keep walls and major furniture neutral. color with pillows, rugs, and small decor. Seasonal rotation, soft flowers, linens, and a small decor with the seasons to keep your cottage feeling fresh and lively. Layered window treatments combine sheer curtains with soft linen drapes for depth and light control. Rustic shelving, floating wooden shelves or vintage brackets display pottery, jars, and small plants. Slip covers for sofas and chairs. Light colored, washable slip covers keep furniture looking fresh yet cozy. Mixed textures combine soft cotton, chunky knits, linen, and distressed wood to make the space feel layered and inviting. Layered rugs use rugs of different textures and patterns to define areas and add warmth. Vintage headboards, iron, distressed wood, or upholstered headboards add a nostalgic touch. Reading nooks, a cozy chair with a drawer and a small side table enhances cottage charm. Decorative storage use antique trunks or wooden boxes at the foot of the bed for both style and function. Rustic kitchen island, a wooden island with open shelving, can store dishes while providing workspace. Thanks for watching the video.